The NHL draft approaches like a storm front, and with it, a name that refuses to fade from the swirling vortex of trade rumors, Matthew Knies. For the Montreal Canadiens, this isn't just another name on a list. It's a tantalizing possibility, a powerful winger who could fundamentally alter the trajectory of our rebuild and, crucially, unlock the full, explosive potential of our future superstar, Ivan Demidov. This isn't a drill. Habs fans, this is a strategic opportunity that Kent Hughes cannot afford to dismiss. The whispers have intensified. The reports from Marco D'Amico of BPM Sports and RG confirming what many of us suspected. Knies is very much in play. He was a mysterious acquisition that slipped through our fingers on trade deadline day, a deal that, according to Elliot Friedman, died by a mere 60 seconds. A package involving 2 first-round picks, Alexander Zborowski, and another prospect was reportedly on the table, a testament to the Canadiens' serious interest. Now, with the draft looming, the Maple Leafs are testing the waters, gauging the market for their talented winger. The competition is fierce. Buffalo, armed with the 4th overall pick, and San Jose are reportedly in the mix, making a challenging landscape for Montreal. But let's not forget the context. The Leafs, despite holding the 1st overall pick, are not looking for a full rebuild. After missing the playoffs and cleaning house in their front office and coaching staff, they're seeking a quick reset, a retooling that requires immediate impact players, not just futures. This is where the Canadiens could find therein a strategic advantage in a high-stakes negotiation. The plot thickens with reports of Morgan Reilly, Toronto's veteran defenseman, potentially seeking a trade. If Reilly, a cornerstone of their blue line for years, were moved, the Leafs would suddenly be in desperate need of roster players to fill that void. This isn't about draft picks anymore. It's about established talent, players who can step in and contribute immediately. And this, my friends, is where the Canadiens, with their wealth of defensive options, could truly capitalize. Consider the possibilities. The Canadiens possess a deep pool of talented defensemen, including young, high-upside players like Caden Gull. While Gull alone wouldn't land Knies, he could be the centerpiece of a compelling package, especially if paired with a top prospect like Alexander Zborowski. Zborowski, a skillful winger, is highly regarded around the league, with many believing he should have been a first-round selection in the last draft. This kind of package, combining an established young defenseman with a high-end prospect, could be exactly what the Leafs are looking for if they're forced to replace a player of Reilly's caliber. The recent Bowen Byram trade, which saw a talented defenseman net a significant return, further underscores the value of our defensive assets. If the Leafs are indeed looking for roster players, a player like Gull, with his blend of skill, physicality, and defensive acumen, becomes an incredibly attractive piece. This isn't about simply trading futures. It's about leveraging our strengths to acquire a player who can make an immediate impact. Now, let's talk about Matthew Knies himself. At 6'3" and 232 pounds, he's a physical specimen, a power forward in the truest sense of the word. His 160 points in 240 career games with the Leafs, including an impressive 66 points in 79 games last season, demonstrate his offensive prowess. But it's his physicality, his willingness to engage, that truly sets him apart. His 152 hits last season, playing on Toronto's top 6, speak volumes about his commitment to a hard-nosed, relentless style of play. Imagine Knies lining up alongside Ivan Demidov on our second line. Demidov, a wizard with a puck, a creative playmaker with elite offensive instincts, needs a big, physical winger who can retrieve pucks, win battles along the boards, and create space in the offensive zone. This is precisely the role Uri Slavkovsky has excelled at alongside Nick Suzuki and Cole Caulfield. Knies could be that perfect complement for Demidov, a powerful presence who can protect the puck, drive to the net, and finish plays. His physicality would be an invaluable asset, especially when the games get tighter and the stakes get higher in the playoffs. Knies, a former second-round pick from the 2021 draft, has truly paid off for the Leafs. He's signed for another 5 years with a very manageable $7.75 million cap hit, a contract that would fit perfectly within the Canadian salary structure. This isn't a rental. This is a long-term investment in a player who is just entering his prime, a player who can grow with our young core and contribute for years to come. The potential acquisition of Knies isn't just about adding another talented player. It's about adding a specific type of player that Kent Hughes has been targeting, a big forward capable of playing with intensity, providing a physical presence, and contributing offensively. His profile fits perfectly with the direction the organization is taking, a team built on skill, speed, and a relentless work ethic. However, the path to acquiring Knies is fraught with challenges. The Leafs are not assured to move him, and if they do, the asking price will be substantial. We're competing with teams like Buffalo, who have a high draft pick to offer, and San Jose, who also possess valuable assets. Kent Hughes will need to be creative, strategic, and willing to make a bold move to outmaneuver the competition. The emotional aspect of trading with the Maple Leafs, our fiercest rival, cannot be ignored. But in the pursuit of a Stanley Cup, sometimes you have to make uncomfortable decisions. If the opportunity arises to acquire a player of Knies' caliber, a player who perfectly fits our needs and accelerates our rebuild, then the rivalry must, for a moment, take a back seat to the ultimate goal. This is a pivotal moment for the Canadiens. The draft is upon us, and the trade market is heating up. The potential to acquire Matthew Knies represents a chance to add a significant piece to our puzzle, a player who can elevate our offense, provide much-needed physicality, and help unlock the full potential of our future stars. It's a risk, undoubtedly, but one that could yield immense rewards. So, Habs Nation, what is your verdict? Is Matthew Knies the missing piece? The power forward who can complement Ivan Demidov and propel us into contention? Should Kent Hughes go all in, leveraging our defensive depth and prospect pool to acquire this talented winger, even if it means dealing with our arch rivals? Or is the asking price too high, the competition too fierce, and the risk too great? Let your voices be heard in the comments below. This is the kind of debate that defines our passion, that fuels our love for this team. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned, because the NHL offseason is a relentless drama, and the Montreal Canadiens are always at the heart of it. We are in this together, through every triumph and every challenge, because we are the Canadiens, and our pursuit of glory is unwavering. Go Habs go!